Namaste students. In our last lecture, we have learned the formulas of finding slope for a line. What all we have learned? Slope is denoted by m. If angle of inclination is given with the positive x-axis, then slope can be obtained by using formula m equals to tan theta. In case points of the line are given, points having coordinates of a particular line are given, in that case we find slope using formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Next I have told, if two parallel lines are given to you, then their slopes will be equal. And in case slopes are equal, lines will be parallel. This is condition of parallelism. Next I have told, if perpendicular lines are given, two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. Now in today's lecture, let us do some examples for all this. First case, I have taken an example where they say find slope of a line making an angle of inclination 60 degree with positive x-axis. That means in this case, we will be using this formula m equals to tan theta. What is given? We are saying that a line is making an angle of 60 degree with positive x-axis. So slope equals to tan 60 degree, and we know the value of tan at 60 degree is under root 3. That means slope of this line is under root 3. Therefore, slope equals to under root 3. Next example I have taken where they are telling us to find the slope of a line passing through two given points. They have given us points 3, minus 2 and minus 1 and 4. And the line is passing through these 2 points. We have to find at what slope it is falling. Whenever we have given points, in that case I have told you that you have to use formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let this point be x1 y1 and this be x2 y2. Then fill in the formula 4 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3. So what we have obtained? Minus and minus plus. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 upon minus 4. After cutting on 2, we have got 3 upon minus 2, and we can't leave minus sign in the denominator. So answer is, slope of the line is minus 3 upon 2. Third example, again they are saying find the slope of a line when line is passing through the given points. Just look at the points they have given to us. It's 3, minus 2 and 7 and minus 2. So I mark the points. See, a straight line is coming and it is not touching x-axis. So let us see what kind of slope we will get. Again formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 will be used. Fill in the values. x1 y1 x2 y2. So minus 2 minus 2 upon 7 minus 3. Minus and minus plus. So what we have obtained? Minus 2 plus 2 upon 4. That means 0 upon 4, which is 0. That means we have got the slope as 0. And I have told you slope for x-axis can come 0. In case we are given the points like this where x coordinates are same, we have to find the slope of a line passing through 3, minus 2 and 3, 4. Then this kind of line will come, and if you try to find the slope, what will you get? 4 minus minus 2 upon 3 minus 3. So what we have obtained? 6 upon 0. 6 upon 0 means undefined. Infinity. That means from the last two examples what we have concluded. In case value of x coordinates are same, then we'll get our slope as infinity. And if the values of y coordinates are same, then we will get slope as 0. Next example I've taken. In this example, they have given us two different lines. Suppose L1 and L2. They are saying first line is passing through these two given points and second line is passing through these two given points, and we have to show that the two lines are parallel to each other. The condition of parallelism I've told, if we find slope of both the lines and slopes come out to be equal, then the lines will be parallel. So all we have to do is we have to find the slope of the lines. First case, points are given 2, minus 3, minus 5 and 1. It's 2, minus 3 and the point is minus 5 and 1. Let its slope be m1. So m1 will be obtained y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what we have obtained? 4 upon minus 7. Now let us find out slope for the second line. Here the points given are 7 minus 1 and 0 and 3. Let its slope be m2. So what is the value of m2? 3 minus minus 1 upon 0 minus 7. So again what we have obtained? We have obtained 4 upon minus 7. That can be written as minus 4 upon 7. Here also you can write minus 4 upon 7. So as you can see clearly, the value of both the slopes is coming out to be same. That means given lines are parallel to each other. So what will be writing? We are writing, since m1 is equal to m2. Since both the slopes are equal, therefore given lines are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. This can come like this also, that the two lines, points are given, are perpendicular to each other and we have to find the value of unknown variable. So condition for perpendicular lines, it was that if we find the product of both the slopes, it should come equal to minus 1. Or we can write that one of the slopes is equal to negative reciprocal of the other one. So all we have to do is we have to find the slopes. Slope in first case, slope through the points, minus 2, 6 and 4, 8. So let the slope be m1. So what will be the value of m1? y2 minus y1, that is 8 minus 6 upon x2 minus x1, 4 minus minus 2. So what we have obtained? M1 comes out to be 2 upon 6. That means 1 upon 3. So value of M1 we have obtained 1 upon 3. Now let us find out the value of M2. Slope through points 8, 12. And another point is x and 24. Let the slope in this case be M2. So value of M2 will be 24 minus 12 upon x minus 8. That gives us 12 upon x minus 8. Now in the question it is given that lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, using the condition, we will be having M2 equals to minus and then reciprocal of M1, that is minus 12. Solving this equation, so what we have obtained, we have got the value of x as 12 divided by 3, value of x as